Okay, like this way you make one table. This is here I will put the value of n, I mean principal quantum number. Then I will put the value of L, azimuthal quantum number. After that I will put the name of subcell. Then I will find out the values of ml. After finding out values of ml, you will get the number of orbitals present in a cell. And what about the total number of orbitals present in the cell? That we will find out. Now, as you know, principal quantum number, I mean the values of n, it start from 1. That represent first cell. If the n value is 1, you will get 1 value of L, and L value you know is that start from 0. So if n value is 1, L value is 0. And if L value is 0, what about the name of subcell? The subcell name is called S subcell. And since it is present in first cell, that's why the subcell is represented as 1s. Okay, why I have written S? Because the value is 0, and since it is present in first cell, that's why you have to represent as 1s. Now you have to find out value of ml. Here what is the value of L? 0. So to find out the value of ml, you know the formula twice L plus 1. Since the L value is 0, so you put L value 0 here. 2 into 0 plus 1, I mean you will get 1. So this represents total number of value, I mean you will get 1 value. So what is the value? Value should be 0. In bracket we can write like this. So this is for first cell. This is for first cell. Now for the second cell, I mean n value is 2. If n value is 2, you will get two values of L. It start from 0, one is 0, another is 1. Like this you will get two value. If L value is 0, the subcell name is S, as you have got here. And since it is present in second cell, that's why it is represented as 2S. Here L value is 1. If L value 1, subcell name is called P, and it is present in second cell, that's why you have to mention as 2P. Now for S we will find out the ml. Since here value is 0, ml you will get 1, that is 0 value. And here L value is 1, so ml value you will get 2 into 1 plus 1, I mean you will get 3. And what are the values? As I have told you, values start from minus L, 0, plus L. Here L value is 1, so it will start from minus 1, 0, plus 1. These are the values. How many values? 3 values. And what are the values? Minus 1, 0, plus 1. These 3 are the values. So second cell complete. Now we will move to third cell. For third cell, n value is 3. So L value you will get 3, and the values should be 0, 1 and 2. These are the L values. For 0, subcell name is called 3S because it is present in third cell. For 1, it is called 3P. For 2, it is called 3D. Now for L value 0, ml you will get 1, that the value is 0. For 1, ml value you will get 3 values, and the values are minus 1, 0, plus 1, like this. And here the L value is 2. When you put L value 2, then ml you will get how much? 5. And what are the value? It start from minus L, I mean from minus 2. The values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. These are the 5 values. Like this way you can find out the values. So this is about the third cell. Now we will determine for fourth cell. Up to fourth cell you have to know. Since the n value is 4, so L value you will get 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the values of L. 0 means it is said to be 4S subcell. 1 means it is said to be 4P subcell. 2 means it is said to be 4D subcell. 3 means it is said to be 4F subcell. Already you have got the name of subcell. If L value is 3, then the subcell name is called F. ml, for 0 you will get ml1, value is 0. For 1, ml you will get 3, and values are minus 1, 0, plus 1. For 2, ml you will get 5, and the values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. These are the 5 values. And for 3, when you put 3 value, 2 into 3 plus 1, I mean you will get 7. What are the values? Values start from minus 3 because L value is 3. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. These are the values. So like this way you can find out the values of ml. And let's see the values. Here how many values you have got? Only one value. That means it contain only one orbital. One value means one orbital. So 1s subcell contain one orbital. Now come to this second cell. Here 2s. What value you have got? 1. That means one orbital inside 2s. In case of 2p, you have got how much? 3. That means 2p subcell contain 3 orbital. In case of third cell, 3s, m value you have got 1. That means 1 orbital. I mean 3s contain 1 orbital. Every s contain 1 orbital. This is p. p subcell contain 3 orbital. This is d subcell, 3d. 3d subcell contain 5 orbital. Like this. Now come to the fourth cell. This is 4s. 1 value. That means it contain 1 orbital. This is 4p. p subcell always have 3 orbitals. D subcell always have 5 orbitals. F subcell always have 7 orbitals. Like this way you can find out the number of orbitals. If you want to write total number of orbitals in the cell, in the first cell you have got only 1. In the second cell you have got 3 plus 1, total 4 orbital. In the third cell you have got 5 plus 3 plus 1, you will get 9 orbitals. And in case of fourth cell, you will get 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, you will get 16 orbital. So, every subcell, these are the subcell and these are the number of orbitals. I will tell you the number of or name of orbitals later. So, first time you should know how many orbitals are present inside the subcell. Always you have to know S subcell always have 1 orbital, P subcell always have 3 orbital, D subcell always have 5 orbital, F subcell always have 7 orbital. Now you have seen as the cell number going on increasing, number of orbitals also going on increasing, and that is why number of electron also going on increasing. And you should know one thing, these are the number of orbital. One orbital can contain maximum 2 electron. You will get later. So n orbital contain maximum 2 electron. In the first cell, how many orbital present? Only 1. So maximum how many electron present? It contain 2. This is maximum number of electron. Maximum number of electrons. In the first cell, you will get maximum 2 electron. Why 2 electron? Because it contain only 1 orbital. You know 1 orbital contain maximum 2 electron. In the second cell, how many orbitals? 4 orbitals. So 1 orbital contain 2 electron, 4 orbital contain maximum 8 electron. In the third cell, there are 9 orbitals. So maximum number of electron will be 18. 9 into 2, 18. Because an orbital contain maximum 2. In the fourth cell, it contain 16 orbital. That's why it contain maximum 32 electrons. So in class 9, 10, you have got first cell contain maximum 2, second cell contain maximum 8, third cell contain maximum 18. Like this you have got. But here you have got this number of electrons according to their number of orbital. Actually electrons are present inside the orbital. How many orbitals are present? Depending on that you can find out the number of electrons present in the main cell. So as the cell number going on increasing, number of orbital also going on increasing, and that's why number of electron also going on increasing. So this is the way to find out the number of orbitals. So this magnetic quantum number ml, this represent about the orbitals, how many orbitals present in the main cell. You can find out like this way. So first quantum number represent the main cell, second quantum number represent about the subcell, and third quantum number represent about the orbitals. So every atom contain a main cell. Inside the subcell you will get some, inside the cell you will get some subcell, and inside the subcell you will get some orbital, and that orbital contain the electrons. Thank you.